guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a tandoori roast chicken, which is going to be made in the oven. So let's begin. So to begin, we're going to be making a paste. So I have 4 tablespoons of just plain yogurt, a teaspoon of crushed red chilies, and I've got some Tandoori Red Masala. So I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of this, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic paste, about half a teaspoon of red food colouring, and I'm going to be adding a sprinkle of cayenne pepper, I'm just going to mix this together. This is now nicely mixed in. If you want it a bit more red, then you can actually add some more food colouring, but that is down to you. I'm going to now add the chicken. So this is now nicely mixed in. Ideally I would leave this marinated for about an hour, and after an hour I'm going to pop it in an oven dish. So let's do that now. So I have this ready now. I'm going to drizzle some sunflower oil on the chicken. I'm going to cover this up and pop this in the oven on a gas mark 8 for 45 minutes to an hour. So my tandoori chicken is now out of the oven and it's ready to serve, as you can see. So my chicken is now ready, nicely served with a red Arabic chutney. Hope you guys give this a try, and thanks guys for watching.